Please, very sorry.
No, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, you come again. We know you, but the board is due. You can please reintroduce yourself.
Sir, I am Priyanka Priyadeshani Pati. I belong to Madhuban village of Adi block, Kendrapada district. I have done my post-graduation in chemistry from Utkal University, and I have also done my bachelor's in education from Navakrishna Chaudhary College of Teachers Education, Angul, in 2019, and now I am preparing for the submission.
You are otherwise occupied, employed, Priyanka?
What is your subject?
My subjects are geography and psychology.
Geography and psychology.
Yes, sir.
Why geography prompted you to be a subject for your civil service?
Geography will help me in lots of ways. Like it will help me understand about my environment and to know about my the agricultural system of my area,
Okay.
to know about the climatology, and to use the application parts to create a better environment that I can get the better products.
So you are coming from Adi.
Yes, sir.
Your native place is Adi.
Yes, sir.
And that is in, what is that block? Adi block?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next to Adi is Rajkanika block.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the river on both sides of Adi? One is before Adi and the other one is after Adi.
Yes, sir.
What are those two rivers?
So, one is Brahmani river, so, Kani river or Kharasrota river.
When you cross to go to Adi, what is the river that you are crossing? From Batamunde.
Yes, sir.
Batamunde to Adi गला बड़े कौन नहीं cross करेगा first?
जाई न गाड़ी जाई
हाँ सर.
को बटा दी जाई
सर आमे तो जाजपुर टी जाओ कारण हम घरडा जाजपुर करे.
जाजपुर पाखे ये पटु जाए
नहीं सर पण हम कम एक्चुअली हम एरिया को बस जाई नहीं तो
को जाजपुर को एरिया
बिंझारपुर सिंहपुर परे हम
हां
5
Okay,
किलोमीटर.
so that is why you are coming, but still then,
Yes,
okay, but since you are writing Adi,
Yes, sir.
try to know that one is Brahman, the other one is Kharasrota.
से खरस्रोता आली पूर्व से कानी नदीटा जाइए आम घर पाखे खरस्रोता अच्छे.
सेठी भी छे Kharasrota ही
खसुता जाजपुर पिंजारपुर देगी पिंजारपुर
ते पट आसी कि पट देगी जाय
सिंह नई पार हेले
ऐसे what there was a feudal kingdom in Adi. Historically it was a
Ali Palace and Konika Palace.
yes.
Those are historically much more important. And we have also the kings like Bhanjadev and Dev dynasties.
Who was the central minister from your place long back? Minister of Irrigation. One of your kings was the minister of Irrigation in Odisha.
Yes, sir. I exactly know, but I can say Saurabh Mishra.
But I am also just forgetting. But he was the minister for Irrigation from your place, Adi. And he was one of the very important reformers for settling the flood problems of Adi and Kanika. I am just forgetting the name. But try to remember that because you belong to that area, so there may be few questions on that. And as far as geography is concerned, can you tell us something about the mineral resources of Odisha?
Yes, sir. We have 1/3 of minerals present in Odisha, in India, and majorly we have deposition of iron, coal, bauxite, and manganese, and we have also chromite as a very deposition in Jaspur Doitari area, and we have these are major minerals.
What is the significance of that national highway that is connecting to this Paradeep and then to Daitari?
Yes, sir. This is due to, for the purpose of transportation, for the connectivity of the Paradeep port, to export the minerals towards Japan. This plays the importance.
This played an important role. Okay. Now, what is the flood problem of your area? Can you tell something about that?
Yes, sir.
How frequently it is flooding and what inside the rivers it is flood?
Majorly annually it occurs once or twice, and majorly the rivers of Brahmani and Kharasrota creates the flood systems, and another is from Birupa river, that is a branch of Mahanadi, also creates flood. And we have the flood creates a very devastating environment at that time, because all the peoples of lower lying area are getting the agricultural sector gets hampers, and crop failure are also found, and people also lose their livelihood. And major problem, as a child I also felt that we are not able to go to our school because we are there is a river we have to cross.
Many rivers, there are
Yes,
many
sir. The
rivers.
education systems are mostly
As in your area, there is a class of embankment, we call it as saline embankment. Have you come across this word?
Yes, sir.
That is a unique kind of embankment that is available
Yes, sir.
in your block.
Yes, sir. There is a
Do you know this saline
mangrove
embankment?
forest so area.
That is a saline embankment, they call it a saline embankment.
So mangrove forest is only Vitarkanika region.
So that is embankment which is facing the sea front. So the saline water is not allowed to come inside. Riverine flooding may take place, but to prevent the sea surge water to come in because of the high waves, there is a class of embankment facing the sea, little inside the land. And that is a unique embankment which is called saline embankment. And presently, after this Bhadra flooding, yes,
Yes, sir.
there was a lot of discussion on this saline embankment to re-strengthen this saline embankment, to protect our coastal zone,
There
and
is
to rejuvenate this saline embankment. Some people, if they are interested, they may.
Kharasrota Mega River project also related to this.
The present conflict,
Yes, sir.
can you tell that? What is that Kharasrota Mega River
So
project?
majorly Odisha government under the scheme of Vasudha trying to connect the Bhadrak districts with the irrigation pipeline drinking water. So they are decided.
Why they are not taking from Baitarani and why they are taking from Kharasrota?
I think it's maybe they are. It's easier to them to collect the.
No, you must know that that is very typical. Baitarani is a tidal inundation water, so the water is saline. They cannot take that water from that particular place, that is Chandvali. At Chandvali, your Baitarani is saline. So that water cannot be used for drinking water. So they are tapping the water from Kharasrota. So you must know that. Okay.
Priyanka, you are one of the hobbies writing Odia poem. Can you recite one of your poems? Good poem.
One or two stanzas, not like any poem, one or two stanzas from any poem that you like most.
Written by you.
So I have written a social poem that I think is like. कवितार नाम ची बातु जमारु व्यस्त होना
Ba.
बा
Means
मीन्स बापा
father.
এটা ଗୋଟେ ট্রাইবাল ପିଲାର ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଉପରେ ଏମିତି ଲେଖିଥିଲି ବାତୁ ଜମାରୁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହନି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ବୋଉ କାହା ଘରକୁ ଭିକ ମାଗି ଯାଉନି ସୁମି ଆଉ ସାନୁକୁ ମୁଁ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟକୁ ପଠେଇ ସାରିଛି ବାତୁ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହନି ଆମ ଘର ଏବେ ଚଳି ଯାଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ବା ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଃଖ ରହିଗଲା ମୁଁ ଆଉ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇପାରୁନି ବା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ହୋଟେଲରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ହୋଟେଲ ମାଲିକ ମୋତେ ବି ଖାଇବା ଦେଉଛି କୁକୁରକୁ ବି ଦେଉଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ବା ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଃଖ ରହିଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇପାରୁନି ବା ଏବେ ମୁଁ ମାଆକୁ ମୁଁ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରେ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି କରିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ବା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ସରକାରର କୋଉ ନିୟମକୁ ମୁଁ ସେଥିରେ ଲଗେଇବି ଏବେ ସୁମିକୁ ବାହାଘର କଥା ଗାଁ ଲୋକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ବା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ସୁମି ତା ଶାଶୁ ଘରେ କେମିତି ଚଳିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ବା ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଃଖ ରହିଯାଉଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇପାରୁନି
Okay.
Very good.
Very emotional.
Very emotional. तो तुम घर पाखरे there is a जैन कर गोटे स्मृति रही से जगह को जगह से
ସେ ରତ୍ନଗିରି
रत्नगिरी आउ केतेटा ब्लॉक अछि जाजपुर रे
ଯାଜପୁରରେ କେତେଟା
तो जाजपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट न कि
ସେ କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ା
केन्द्रापड़ा तो जाजपुर जाऊ जे कोन
ସେ ଆମର କେନ୍ଦ୍ରାପଡ଼ା ଯାଜପୁର ବର୍ଡରରେ ତ ପଚାରିଲେ ଯାଉନ କି ସେ ରାସ୍ତାରେ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସେଟା ଆମର ଘର
केन्द्रापड़ा रे ट्राइबल लोक अछंती
ହଁ ସାର୍
जाजपुर
ଯାଜପୁରରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
को ब्लॉक रे
ସାର୍ ସୁକିନ୍ଦା ବ୍ଲକରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟାକି କାଳିଆପାଣି ଆଉ ସୁକିନ୍ଦା
दानगढ़ी
ଦାନଗଡ଼ି
दीटा ब्लॉक 10टा ब्लॉक को दीटा ब्लॉक जो कि ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशन अछन दे आर आल्सो अफेक्टेड बाय माइनिंग What is the difference between climate and environment?
Environment is a broader thing in case our all the climate and other lithospheres, hydrospheres and climates all are included, but in case of climate we have only the change in atmosphere to be found.
जियोग्राफी रे माने डिग्री रे कहीं मापती ग्लोब
Degree is the unit through which we can as it's a spherical shape, so through measurement of the degree we can measure easily.
ईस्टिंग और वेस्टिंग ईस्टिंग कौन वेस्टिंग कौन
So towards east, when the latitude measures, longitude measures is known as easting, and towards west it's the longitude measures is known as westing. From the Greenwich Mean Time we majorly calculate.
अच्छा तो आमर जो गवर्नमेंट सब योजना करुच्ची से गोटे मेजर योजना जोटा कि आमर जो कलाकार मान अच्छा सेटा कौन पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन को लक्ष्य करी कराई कालिया योजना विषय जानते कौन सेटा
So Kalia mostly full form of Krishak assistance for livelihood and income augmentation, majorly to assist the landless or small farmers workers in annually in 2 terms. It is in 5,000 amount in order to assist them for their infrastructure development or to agricultural inputs. These are the Kalia schemes. And here also landless laborers also got benefited, and one-time assistance of free loan, free interest loans of 50,000 also given, and and majorly it covers most of the farmers of Odisha. So we can say it's a major agricultural input assistance towards the farmers in Odisha state.
सर
Priyanka, you participated in the state level debate competition. When was that?
In 2008, when I was a student of 10th class.
Do you remember the topic?
Yes, sir.
What is the topic?
So the topic is water crisis in earth and its remedies.
So can you tell what is what major points you spoke about the water crisis and remedies?
Yes, sir. At that time, it's one type of seminars where we have asked the questions in oral form. We have also seminar representation and debate. So in debate, I mostly focused on how we can save the water, and majorly I focused on the rooftop, the water conservation, rain conservation systems, and water recycling, and also about the domestic, how we can use the domestic water in through the process of recycling, and also why we can reduce the polluted water from the industries which are going towards the river. So
Okay, one last question, Priyanka. there's a lot of water dispute going on. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Bangladesh, West Bengal, everywhere. And it is going to, and even land dispute, forget it for the time being. So how do you look at it? How do we resolve this long pending dispute? They go to the tribunal, they go to the court, but they remain unsolved. Even Mahanadi Upare, I think there is a running dispute between our own state and Chhattisgarh. How do you look at it?
So, usually in the point of Chhattisgarh and Odisha Mahanadi disputes, I would say that as Mahanadi originated from the area of Chhattisgarh, Amarkantak hill area, so its upper part remains in Chhattisgarh, so they people majorly construct lots of dams or barrages, that's why to use the Mahanadi water, and that's why we are, if all barrages will get functional, then we people of Odisha only get the 1/3 of Mahanadi river.
This is the typical. So this is only the river name changes, the state's name, but again the same problem in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu.
Yes, sir.
They are also constructing a dam. CM says no, it's our right, we have to do. So how do we resolve this? Since you participated in a
Yes, sir.
debate.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I think its solution already made, that is interstate river water tribunals
Yes.
through this formation, but these things are also happening, but the states should have actively participate, and the state leaders should actively participate.
Very
in order
good,
to
Priyanka.
resolve the
Today,
problem.
in Hajira paper, our Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister,
Yes, sir, Kotte and
huh?
yes, sir.
Yes, same thing he said. He said mature leadership
Yes, sir.
and intense parleys, discussion. Only through discussions, negotiation, and mature leadership, it should be resolved. Determined to bring the dispute to a resolution.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Priyanka. You have done well, but you are looking very, very anxious now. Yeah, this anxiety should. But see, from the beginning to the end, which is quite a long session, I was watching your face. It's an anxious expression. So that ticker, it's okay. Very intent looking at the board. But if you can do that, now it is better.
Present face is better.
Majore,
Relax, relax.
It's a defensive, anxious, worried, tense. No? That will pass on because that passes on to the board also. Okay? They are a wonderful candidate.
Your Odia Kavita was very good, very emotional.
And again, sorry, Bizarre may be angry, but what is the theme of your song? They appreciated. I little missed. You are saying, is it the question of literacy? No.
It's a
Huh,
literacy
we
with a
thought of
tribe.
that.
Yes, sir. Tribal
Literacy
boy,
essential.
yes, sir. Tribal boy has a complaint that his father is was dead, so he's in a sense that I am now taking the charges of my family. My mother is not going to beg somewhere, and my younger sister and brother also going school, and they are doing well. But one sad is remain with me, that I am not going to school. I am not getting.
Good.
It's a sacrifice.
Yes.
So okay. For the okay.
Yes, I am working in a hotel.
Okay.
Maintaining the family, facing all tragedy of a hotel. The hotel boy feeds me and the dog also equally. That he explains.
Correct. I got the point, but I missed the name. Very good. So your personality comes across as a very literary, sensitive, empathetic, very good. And so you will do very well. But only thing is, don't be over anxious. Of course, you have to be a little attentive and intent on the interview, but we should also be at your ease. Okay? Any questions to ask? When is your interview?
28.
28th. Okay, don't be anxious. You are a very good candidate. You will do well. All the best. God bless you, Priyanka. Any questions you want to ask anyone? Smile. Keep smiling, Maria.
Actually, sir, the question माने जानियार थिला कि मैं जानी थी बट कन्फ्यूज भी हो गई बोलता आड़ी देगी जोड़ो
So it was the first round of questions. You got nervous. So you are tense and you are anxiety ridden. That is, your face was indicating that. Take nervous like it. प्रथम. It is ठीक है वो तो होगा तो क्या? Take it normal. किसी क्वेश्चन कहबी किसी क्वेश्चन कहि पारिबिनी किसी क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट है छाड़ीबी मैं जहाँ कहबी भलो कर whatever I will say I will score the best एटा जदि एटीट्यूड रहबा then you take it normal then things will be happening okay okay then
All
now
the
we
best.
can leave
हाँ?
or anything would like to ask
ଆଉ କ'ଣ କିଛି ପଚାରିବ
ହଁ କ'ଣ କିଛି ମାଇଣ୍ଡ
କ'ଣ
ଅଛି କ'ଣ
କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଅଛି କ'ଣ ପଚାରିବ
ହଁ
So, ଗୋଟେ personal question
ହଁ
ଅଛି।
ହଁ
So, actually ମୁଁ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଜଣେ ହବା ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି ଚାହୁଁଛି ମାନେ
ହଁ
ପର୍ସନାଲ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଯେ
ହଁ
ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଦରକାର ଯୋଉଟାକି ମୋତେ ଲିଡ୍ କରିବ ସେଇଟାକୁ ମାନେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଫିନାନ୍ସିଆଲି ବହୁତ ମାନେ ୱିକର୍ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସିଛି ତ ବହୁତ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଯେ ଘର ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସପୋର୍ଟ ଥାଏ ବଟ୍ ଫିନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ଯୋଗୁଁ ମାନେ ମୋତେ ଲାଗେନି କି ମେ ବି ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ସଷ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିପାରିବି କି ନାହିଁ ତ ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର
that is not the problem at all finance has never been a problem
ଫିନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ନୁହଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ବି କହୁନି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ମୁଁ କହିବା କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଲିଡ୍ ମାନେ
କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଦରକାର କ'ଣ
Yes, sir.
you have to keep your zeal burning
Yes, sir.
so long as you keep your zeal burning things will happen if you slip down things will not happen
Okay.
so the zeal has to remain burning like sun is burning providing energy every day so there is no depth of energy from the sun because it is burning
your will
similarly
power
willpower then what is the ପାଇବି ଆଉ ପାଇବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମୁଁ ଲାଗିବି ଛାଡ଼ିବି
I must ଏବେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦଉଛୁ କି
First into.
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯଦି ବି ବାଇ ଚାନ୍ସ
ଯୋଉଟା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଲ
Sir, first time ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ post graduation ବେଳେ ଏମିତି ଦେଇଥିଲି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ ନଥିଲା ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ସ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରିନଥିଲି ଏଇଟା
ଅଲ୍ ଦ
ଠିକ
ବେଷ୍ଟ
ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି ଯେହେତୁ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କଲ ତ ତୁ କହିବା ବି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲି ବୋଲି ହଁ ତେଣୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ତୁ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ମାଇ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ ମନ୍ତ୍ରଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ କଥାଟା ଆସିଯିବ ଭୁଲିଯିବ ସାର୍
ହେଇପାରିବ ଯାହା ଭାବୁଛ if you have dreamed
କହୁଛି
something
ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲି ୱିକ୍ ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରୁ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ
Sir.
କେମିତି ହେବି ସାର୍ କହିପାରିବି ସାର୍ ଟିକେ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
This is he has spoken on behalf of all the that burning zeal you have to
ଛାଡ଼ିବନି ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପାଇନ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଛାଡ଼ିବ ଲାଗିଥିବ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସଲି pursuing things to
nothing is
happen
impossible. Nothing is impossible. Your assessment will be a correct assessment.
you will remember one day us when you will be successful that we have told like this
yeah that ends to that
তুমি ଜାଣିଛ କେମିତି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଜାଣିଛ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଖାଲି
it's a positive energy positive passion positive thinking yes I deserve it within yes I deserve it okay within passion commitment you will make it
with all your hurdles you have come to the best university of the state and to a very good department
କ'ଣ
ଆପଣ ହେଇପାରେ what else yes and you have completed BEd also you have every chance to get a job is no problem for you
and second time also you are coming isn't it
Yes.
second
Mock interview.
that exemplifies what professor is meaning isn't it you are not going to leave it first time many people ठीक है जी no that is perseverance passion pursuit perseverance awake arise and stop not till the goal is reached who's that
So we get
that should be spirit okay think of it you will reach it
ଲେଖିଦେବ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ
ସବୁଦିନ
ପଢିବ
yes ସବୁ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
ସବୁ ଜାଣି
He said even if the whole world is against you even if I happen to be alone I am not going to
Yeah.
stop
ସେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା
nerves of steel and muscles of iron think of it and then when he went to Chicago World Parliament the moment he rose sisters and brothers of America that's all America did not let him go Europe did not let him he wanted to go for one occasion 4 years America and Europe did not leave him go such was the magnetic personality okay so you will do well Priyanka all the best God bless you okay